हांकां ड्रग्स इतले क्वॉन्टिटीन तुमी दवरलेले आहा, तुमी तेंचेर केस रजिस्टर करना. सो वॉट इज द सिरियसनेस ऑफ युअर ड्रग्स?
ॲक्च्युली 380 ग्राम्स ही ते क्वॉन्टिटी मेळ्ळी आनी ते एनक्रोचमेंट काडल्या उपरांत पायपांनी मेळ्ळी. आनी तरी सुद्दां म्हणजे ते दोग तीग जाण जे थंयसर आशिल्ले पळय न्ही, फक्त ते पळून गेले. ओके, दोग तीग जाण मागीर
चीफ आय जस्ट फॉर गेट युअर इन्फॉर्मेशन. कोण पळोवन वचोंक ना. तुमचे पुलीस, आय एम मेकिंग डायरेक्ट एलिगेशन, तुमचे पुलीस सारके हँड इन ग्लव्स आहात तेंकडेन. आय विल गिव यू द रिजन. हांव तुका सांगता. बिकॉज either you take the side of the police or you tell that police are inefficient. So either one, you cannot take both sides. I will tell you. Because now those ladies were there, they tried to immolate themselves in front of the police. Now immolating themselves itself is a crime. Did the police register them under that crime to commit suicide? So what job is the police doing? And it is not this quantity of drugs. Small children are dealing with drugs. You know what else was found from them? PAN card was found from them. As registered, they were supposed to buy one flat for 40 lakhs rupees. They don't have even a house there, but PAN card, everything registration. If a mayor or just other persons around, they can find so much quantity of drugs. So what police doing? If that means police is inefficient.